This is the Motorola Talkabout T92 H2O, the walkie-talkie built for wet days out. It's waterproof to IP67, it floats back up when you drop it in, and the torch switches itself on when it gets wet. In the next few minutes you'll know every button, the emergency alert, and the charging rules that keep it alive. Start with the front. The backlit screen shows your channel, your code, your battery, and whichever modes are running. Below it, 6 buttons: power top left, the plus and minus keys in the middle, volume and menu scrolling both, and menu bottom left, which doubles as the key lock. On the right column, scan monitor and the call tone button. The speaker sits behind the grill beneath them. Up top, the orange one, the emergency button, we'll come back to it. Down the left side, 2 more, the torch button, cycling off, red light, white light. And the big one, the PTT, push to talk. On the opposite side, under its sealed cover, lives the micro USB charging port. Press and hold power and the radio chirps awake, flashes every icon it owns, then settles on your channel and code. Volume is the plus and minus keys, one press shows the level, the next presses change it, and 0 mutes the speaker entirely. And the manual's own warning: keep it away from your ear while you're adjusting. Channels and codes are one dance: press menu once and the channel number flashes, change it with plus and minus. Press menu again and the code flashes, same keys. Press PTT when you're done and you're back to normal. The rule that matters: every radio in your group needs the same channel and the same code. Different code, same channel, and you'll never hear each other. Talking is the big button on the side. Hold the radio 5 to 8 centimeters from your mouth, press and hold the PTT, and speak normally. The transmit icon confirms it. Release to listen. Before you jump onto a busy channel, a short press of scan monitor lets you check it's clear. And transmissions cut off automatically at 60 seconds, the timer that saves your battery from a sat-on button. Now the H2O party tricks. First, it floats, with the included nickel metal hydride battery fitted. The manual is explicit that it may not float on other batteries, so if you swap to AAs for a long weekend, keep a hand on it. Second, water sensors. The moment the radio gets wet, the white LED starts flashing so you can find it, in the dark, or in the water. Press the torch button to stop it. And third, the orange emergency button. Hold it for 3 seconds and every radio in your group leaps to full volume with a warbling alarm for 8 seconds, then your radio transmits everything it hears for 22 more. 30 seconds of attention, controls locked, no button fumbling required. 3 modes worth knowing. Scan to short press of scan monitor sweeps the channels and stops wherever it finds traffic that matches. Press PTT during the pause to join in. Hands-free VOX, for presses of menu, then pick your level, 3 for quiet rooms, 1 for noisy ones, and the radio transmits when you speak. After a short delay the manual is honest about. And the key lock, hold menu until the lock icon appears, and the radio ignores everything except talking, listening, volume and power. Hold menu again to free it. Finally, power. You get 16 hours of typical use, and 2 ways to feed it: the rechargeable pack, or 3 AA alkalines when you're miles from a socket. Charging is micro USB with the radio switched off. Empty to full takes about 8 hours, and the manual says take it off charge within 16. 2 habits keep the waterproofing honest: only charge it dry, the charger itself is not waterproof, and after a swim, shake the water out of the grill so the audio stays crisp. The seals only count when the battery door and port covers are actually closed. That's the T92 H2O. It floats, it glows when it's wet, and it can shout for help with 1 orange button. If you're kitting out a boat, a beach hut, or a family that treats water as a destination, that's exactly what we do.